We look into the lesser-known routes to building seven-figure success in the accounting world, focusing on high-earning niches that go far beyond basic tax work and routine bookkeeping. This idea centers on spotting uncommon but profitable services, learning how to step into them, and building them into strong, scalable offers. With the right approach, accountants and financial professionals can turn their skills into serious income and create real opportunities for U.S. small business owners and entrepreneurs who need more specialized support than standard compliance work can offer. Beyond balance sheets, the untold story of accounting wealth. Accounting is often seen as a steady job built around reports and deadlines, but there's a much bigger story behind it. When handled with intention, this field can open the door to serious financial growth. More accountants today are stepping outside the usual routines and turning their skills into strong, long-lasting income. This guide walks you through how that shift happens and the steps that can bring you closer to that level of success. Unearthing the untapped gold mines. Niche identification. If you want to rise fast in the accounting world, the smartest move is to specialize. General services are everywhere, but focused services are where opportunity grows. Businesses want professionals who understand their industry, their systems, and their unique concerns. Choosing a niche puts you on the map. It positions you as the person clients look for instead of someone they stumble upon by chance. This could be real estate tax planning, e-commerce accounting systems, nonprofit reporting, cost segregation support, or handling finances for medical practices. Picking one area helps you charge properly for your work, builds authority, and creates a steady stream of clients who rely on you month after month. Cracking the code. Entry strategies and skill acquisition. Specialization starts with learning, but it doesn't always require formal schooling. It requires focused practice and exposure to real cases. Many accountants who step into high-income roles begin by picking one specialty and fully committing to learning everything about it. Online courses, joining focused groups, seeking mentorship, and working on real client files all help you build confidence. As your skill set grows, clients start to see that you truly understand their world. That trust becomes the base for stronger pricing, long-term relationships, and better opportunities. Scaling your specialized empire. From hustle to high net worth. Once you've built your niche and sharpened your skills, the next move is to scale. Many accountants start as freelancers or solo consultants, but income truly grows when you turn your work into a business. This often means building systems, hiring support, documenting your processes, and offering structured service packages. These steps help you move away from trading hours for pay and toward building something that can operate even when you're not involved in every detail. In time, your role shifts from day-to-day tasks to leadership and client strategy. That shift opens the door to income levels that aren't possible as a solo provider. Your brand grows, your capacity grows, and your earning potential follows. Your seven-figure future. Actionable next steps. Growing your income in accounting is achievable when you treat your work like a business instead of a job. Start by choosing a niche that suits your strengths. Focus your learning on that area until you understand it fully. Build systems that let you scale without burning out. Each step moves you closer to a practice that offers stability, control over your time, and the chance to build real wealth. The future belongs to accountants who specialize, sharpen their abilities, and build a business that can grow year after year. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.